gross domestic product. What exactly do we mean by GDP? Sir, before going to the concept of GDP, let us see, let us see GDP. Which country is best in GDP? Which country is worst in GDP? And where does India stand in GDP? I'll go to GDP of all countries. Let us see here. Where is India here? As I already told you, how do I calculate national income? One method to calculate national income is GDP, correct or not? Clear. First method to calculate national income is what? GDP. Now see, according to International Monetary Fund, here 2019 they have calculated the updated the data. See here, who is the top country here? Which country is the world's largest country by GDP? See here and tell. US. US is the largest country in the world based on what? GDP. Tell me, where does India come? Which position India is there? Fifth position. India is the fifth largest country in the world. I repeat, India is the fifth largest country in the world in terms of GDP. Clear? You might have heard GDP is increasing, GDP is decreasing, GDP is fluctuating. During Modi government, this is the GDP. During Congress government, this is the GDP. So wherever you see, they keep talking about GDP, correct or not? Every newspaper will talk about GDP. Every news channel will talk about GDP. They never talk about national income. They always talk about what? GDP. As I already told you why. Because GDP is a measure to calculate national income. Now question comes, as I already told you, India is the fifth largest country in terms of GDP. Tell me, India's GDP is increasing or decreasing? India's GDP is increasing or decreasing? India's GDP is increasing or decreasing? I'll just type India GDP here. Yesterday only, recently, what happened? India's GDP. See here. India GDP. So many news channels. See here. See that image? First image. 23.9 minus 23.9 GDP. See here. Negative. India's GDP is negative. See here. I'll just click here and see. India's GDP contracts to 23.9% fall in GDP. What is the economics behind the maths? Why is GDP falling? I'll explain you why GDP is falling. I will also explain you why GDP. What is GDP? Then only you'll come to know, right? India's GDP is falling almost by 24%. Can you tell me the reason why GDP is falling? I hope everyone knows the reason. Coronavirus, right? Coronavirus. But now, how is coronavirus affecting the GDP of India? That also we need to understand, right? How is coronavirus affecting the GDP of India? That also we need to know. Simple. Remember one thing. People always get confused between GDP and revenue. So what we'll do is, before going into these practical cases, why India's GDP is falling, and why India's GDP suddenly increases and decreases, let us see. So first, let us understand the definition of GDP, and then we will come back and see this case loss so that it becomes easy for you. Clear? No. So now let us come back to book definition now. Once we understand the book definition, it becomes easy for us to understand the practical approach relating to GDP. Clear? No. So what exactly do we mean by GDP? Clear? Now, GDP means market value. I repeat, GDP means what? Market value. Which value, sir? Market value. Market value of all final. I repeat, market value of all final economic goods and economic services. Clear? Final what, sir? Final economic goods. Clear? Economic goods and economic services. Clear? Economic services. So what is GDP? It is what? It is a market value of all final economic goods and final economic services. Clear? Next, let us continue the definition. Gross of depreciation. Clear? Gross of depreciation. Gross of what, sir? Gross of depreciation. Continue again. Clear? Gross of depreciation. Produced. Clear? Produced within the domestic territory. Produced within what? Within the domestic territory. Produced within what, sir? Within the domestic territory of a country when during a period. During a given period. Clear? During a given period. Clear? During a given period. So what is the GDP, sir? Definition. It is what, sir? It is the market value of all final economic goods and services, gross of depreciation, produced within the country, or you can say domestic territory of a country during a given period. But before understanding the definition of GDP, remember one thing. Tell me, calculation of GDP, will it remain same in all the countries, or for every country they have their own rules? Calculation of GDP will remain same in all the countries, or there are different rules? Same. Remember one thing, calculation of GDP, whatever rules we are going to study, whatever examples I am going to give, sir, the rules of calculation of GDP remain same throughout the world. If let us say if India is taking gross of depreciation, clear, GDP may India is taking gross of depreciation, US is taking net of depreciation, China is not considering depreciation only, you think that comparison will be possible? No. So to ensure that GDP is comparable, calculation of GDP will remain same in all the countries. Rules of GDP calculation will remain same in all the countries. Otherwise, comparison will not be possible. Clear? No. So let us understand step by step. Sir, which value? Is it the cost or market value? Tell me. GDP mein what should I take? Should I cost or market value? Which value should I take? I should take market value. Clear? I should take which value? Market value. Clear? Market value. Of which goods? Of final economic goods and services. What they are telling? So they are talking about final economic goods and services. So remember one thing. Remember one thing. Goods can be clear. Goods can be of two types. Clear? Whenever we talk about goods, goods can be of two types, right? Goods can be intermediate goods. Clear? Goods can be intermediate goods and it can be final goods. Clear? I repeat, goods can be intermediate goods, goods can be final goods. Now what exactly do we mean by, because if you don't understand what is intermediate goods, what is final goods, problem when you are solving in GDP, you will not be able to understand. Clear? So what I'll do, I have some photos with me. Let me add those photos. Insert here. Now see here, what is a final good? Definition is given here in the photo. See, what is a final good? Sir, a good, clear, what do we mean by final good? It is a good that final consumer consumes. Simple. What I consume is what? What I consume is called what? What I consume is called final good, correct or not? What I consume is called final goods. Goods used to make final goods are called what? Intermediate goods. Let us say, for example, fabric. Fabric is what? Intermediate good, right? Fabric is what? Intermediate good. T-shirt what I am wearing is called what? Final good. Clear? I repeat, fabric which is used to create this T-shirt is called what? Is called as intermediate good. And the T-shirt what I am wearing is called what? Is called as final goods. Let us take one more example. In best way I will explain you. One more example let us take. I hope you know what is this. I hope you know what is this. Can someone tell me what is this? Pizza, right? Pizza. Morning you're seeing the photo of pizza. See, day will be nice. Clear? See that? Cheese, so much cheese is there. So much cheese. See that? See, your tongues are wagging. Now tell Tell me what are the things which I can use to make a pizza. Clear? I'm a cook also. I cook at home. I'm a big foodie. That is why I cook. I know cooking. That is why all food examples only I'll take. I cook every day. Now tell me what are the things required to make a pizza? Maida. Maida. In English, don't ask me these things. In Hindi only I know. Maida is there. Then baking powder is there. Not baking powder. Sorry, that is for cake. Maida is there. Then what else? Vegetables, cheese. Clear? Cheese is required. Then yeast is required. Clear? Yeast is required. Then pizza sauce is required. Clear? Pizza sauce is required. Tell me. So maida, vegetables, cheese, yeast, and pizza sauce. These are all what? Are these considered as intermediate goods or final goods? What are these? These are intermediate goods or final goods? Maida, vegetables, cheese, yeast, pizza sauce. They are all what, sir? They are all intermediate goods. So these are intermediate goods, right? These are all intermediate goods. Intermediate goods. And what is this one, sir, then? And what is pizza? Pizza is final goods. Correct or not? Pizza is final goods. I hope you understood the difference now between intermediate goods and final goods. I hope you understood everything clear. Clear? So this is what is called final goods. So should I take market value of intermediate goods or should I take market value of final goods? Final goods, simple. So market value definition says market value of all final economic goods, and economic services. Economic goods and economic services. Now let us understand, sir, what is economic, what is non-economic. Clear? What is economic, what is non-economic, that also you need to understand, right? Again, one more photo, because your GDP is photos only. In photos only we will finish your GDP concept. See here. What I will do, I will take here. Who is this fellow? Who is this fellow? He is a cook, right? This fellow is a cook. Now tell. Cook cooking in a restaurant. Clear? Cook cooking in a restaurant. Will he ask money or not? Can you directly go to Domino's Pizza, eat without giving money and come back? No. Cook cooking in a restaurant. Have to pay money, right? Have to pay money. And your mom is cooking food for you. Clear? Mother is cooking food for you. Mother cooking food for children. Food for children. Will she take any money from you? Will she take any money from you for cooking? No. No need to pay money. Now tell, which is economic activity? Where you're paying money or where money is not paid? Which is economic activity? Where money is paid or where money is not paid? So you're going out, eating food, paying money, economic activity. Clear? Economic activity. Clear? And your mother is cooking food for you at home. Obviously, she will not take any money from you. This is called what? This is called as non-economic activity. Which activity? Non-economic activity, right? This is called what? This is called as non-economic activity. Simple. No. So wherever money is involved, economic activity. Wherever money we don't pay, non-economic activity. Correct or not? No. Now tell me, should I take economic goods and services or non-economic goods and services? There are two types of goods and services, right? Economic goods and services, non-economic goods and services. I should only take economic goods and economic services. Sir, example of economic goods, pizza. Clear? Pizza. Example of non-economic goods, prasadam, what you get in temples. Economic, now economic services. Now let us say you think I'm teaching free of cost. No, you're paying money, I'm teaching. So am I taking money to teach? Yes, economics. I'm teaching my friend without any fees, free of cost. That is called what? Non-economic activity. Clear? So what is GDP? Market value of all final economic goods and services. Clear? final goods, final services, and that too economic goods and services. And next it tells gross of what, sir? Gross of depreciation. It tells gross of depreciation. Now tell, when you're calculating GDP, should you minus depreciation or should you not minus depreciation? Gross of depreciation means what? Should you minus or not? Gross means what? Including depreciation or excluding depreciation? Gross means what? Gross means including depreciation. Including depreciation. Clear? Including what, sir? Including depreciation. Gross means what? Gross means including depreciation. Clear? Sir, now you'll ask why including depreciation? Sir, that is a rule. Government is calculating like this, let us also calculate. Don't ask, sir, why to include depreciation, why not to include depreciation? Sir, government says you follow, right? Rule is rule. Why to apply that? Why that rule has come, neither you know nor I know. Clear? Next it says, where? Next it says, what is this? Is very, 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 very important part. What is that? It says produced. It says produced. It never says sale. So GDP is calculated when goods are sold or when goods are produced. GDP will increase or decrease depending upon sale or depending upon production. Simple question. Depending upon production. Now tell, from 15th March, let us assume that from 15th March till what is today's date? Today's date is 1st September, right? From 15th March till 1st of September, production in India is increasing or very less? Production in India is very high or very less due to corona? Sir, production is very less in India, right? When production decreases, GDP also. When production decreases, what will happen to GDP? GDP also decreases. That is why almost 24% GDP has fallen. 24% GDP has decreased. Why? Because there is no production in India, right? Even if production is there, production is very less. Without production, how can you expect that GDP to increase? Clear? So in exam, don't get confused. They will give sale value. Will you take sale value? No. Sir, for us, sales are not important. What is important? Production is important. If goods are produced, that will go to calculation of GDP. Clear? Goods are produced, they'll go for calculation of GDP. Next. Then it says where it should be produced. Within where it should be produced, it says within the domestic territory of a country. Within the domestic territory of a country. Domestic territory. Domestic territory means what? Domestic territory means what? Where is it here? This is the domestic territory. Simple. This complete India for us is what? This complete India is called what? Domestic territory. Clear? This complete India for us is called what? Domestic territory. I'll write somewhere here only. Domestic territory. Clear? Domestic territory. It says domestic territory of a country. Clear? Now, I hope you know what is domestic territory now. Simple. Next. During a given time period means GDP is calculated every quarter. Here GDP is obviously calculated every quarter wise GDP. So during a period means every 4 months GDP is calculated and annual GDP is also calculated. Clear? Quarterly GDP is calculated for internal purpose, means for Indian purpose only, like only for use within India. But national GDP at the end of the day, when we calculate annual GDP, that will be used for comparison with other countries also. Clear? So GDP can be calculated any point of time. You can calculate every month also, every week also. But normally what we do, we calculate in India quarterly and annually. Clear? No. So what is GDP, sir? Market value of all final economic goods and services, gross of depreciation, produced within the domestic territory of a country during a given period. Now, very important part, as I already told you, domestic territory. Remember one thing, for calculation of GDP, for calculation of GDP, clear, for calculation of GDP, one thing you have to be very careful. Citizenship is not important. Citizenship is not important. What is not important, sir? Citizenship is not important. Clear? Citizenship is not important. It means what? Sir, whether you are Indian, Where should production happen? Whether you are an Indian, whether you are not an Indian, I'm least bothered. For calculation of GDP, I'm least bothered whether you are Indian, whether you are from US, whether you are from Sri Lanka, whether you are from Pakistan, you be from any country. But production should happen where? GDP may, according to GDP, production should happen where? Production should happen in India. Simple. Production should happen clear. Production should happen where? In India. Simple. Production should happen where? In India. If production is happening in India, will it go for calculation of GDP? If production happens in India, will it go for calculation of GDP? Yes. If production happens outside India, will it go for calculation of India's GDP? No. Simple. Production is happening in India, it will go for calculation of Indian GDP. If production is happening outside India, it will not go for calculation of Indian GDP. Let us take some case laws. Clear? Let us understand this with the help of some case laws. We have Reliance Industries Limited. Clear? Reliance Industries Limited. We'll download one small photo so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Reliance image. Oh, images. This is Reliance Industries Limited. Clear? Oh, yeah, here it is. Clear? Now tell, Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian company or a foreign company? Indian company or a foreign company? Tell me, Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian company. Clear? India. Reliance Industries Limited is from where, sir? India. Clear? Now, what is Reliance Industry doing? Providing, clear, let us assume that Reliance Industries Limited is providing goods and services. Clear? Goods and services. Where, sir? In India. Clear? It is providing goods and services where? It is providing goods and services in India. Clear? Now tell. Reliance Industries Limited from India is providing goods and services in India. Tell me, will it go for calculation of Indian GDP? Will it go for calculation of Indian GDP? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, sir. It will go for calculation of GDP of India. Simple. I hope you understand this. Now, number two. Clear? Case number two. Case number two. So this is Amazon. Tell me, Amazon is from which country? Amazon is from which country? Amazon is from US, right? Clear? USA. Amazon from USA is providing, clear, Amazon from USA is providing goods and services, clear, in India. Clear? Amazon from US is coming to India, providing goods and services in India. Tell me, will it go for calculation of Indian GDP? Will it go for calculation of GDP of India? What did I tell you just now? Is citizenship important or not? Is citizenship important for us? Is citizenship important for calculation of GDP? No. What is important? Production should happen in India. Production should happen in India. Sir, whether it production means goods or services should be provided in India. Sir, US company is coming to India. In India, it is providing goods and services. Is production happening in India? Simple question. US company is coming to India, is providing goods and services in India. Is production happening in India? Yes, sir. So am I bothered whether it is Indian company or US company? Simple question. Am I bothered about whether you are an Indian company, whether you are a US company? No. What am I bothered about? Whether you are providing goods and services in India. Amazon from US is coming to India, providing goods and services in India. Tell me, will it go for calculation of Indian GDP? Will it go for calculation of Indian GDP? Yes, it will go. Why? Sir, I'm least bothered whether you are from US, whether you are from China, from where are you? I'm least bothered. If goods or services are provided in India, it will go for calculation of GDP of India. Clear? Next. Case number 3. Clear? Case number 3. Where is Reliance? Reliance. Come, this is our Reliance. This is from which country again? India. Clear? India. And where is Reliance going now? US. Now, Reliance Industries Limited, clear, Reliance Industries Limited is providing now, clear, Reliance Industries Limited is now providing goods and services. Clear, Reliance Industries Limited is now providing goods and services in US. Now tell, it's an Indian company, even though it's an Indian company, but where is it providing goods and services? In US? Tell me. In this case, will it go to calculation of India's GDP? Will it go to calculation of India's GDP? No. See here, Reliance is providing goods and services in India also. Reliance is providing goods and services in US also. Only that, let us say Reliance Industries Limited ka 70% goods and services are provided in India and 30% of goods and services are provided in USA. Tell me, will 100% come to India's GDP calculation? No. Only 70% of goods and services provided in India, it will go to calculation of India's GDP. This 30% will not go to India's GDP. Whose GDP it will go? USA ka GDP, right? USA's GDP it will go. Clear? Next, last case, one more case let us discuss. They're clear. Now this is Amazon. Again, Amazon is from which country? Obviously USA. Next, which country we will take? US will take. Clear? US will take. Now see, Amazon is providing goods and services. Clear? Amazon is providing goods and services in USA. Now tell, will it go for calculation of India's GDP? Will it go for calculation of India's GDP? No, it will not go for calculation of India's GDP. Clear? I hope you understood. So for me, while calculating GDP, what is important? For me, while calculating GDP, what is important? Citizenship is important, or where services are provided, that is important. Where production is happening. Production can be of goods, production can be of services. Where production is happening. If production happens in India, it will 100% go for calculation of GDP of India. If production does not happen in India, irrespective of whichever country or citizenship of, it will not go for calculation of GDP of India. So let us summarize this images now, because you cannot write images in exam, right? So let us summarize. Clear? GDP calculation. GDP calculation. Let us summarize. So how many situations we have taken? 4 situations, right? Situation number 1. Clear? Situation number 1. Situation number 1. Indian, clear, Indian person, clear, Indian person, clear, producing in India, clear, in India. Indian person producing in India. Now tell, will it be included in GDP or not? We are talking from India's point of view. Will it be included in GDP? Yes, sir. Included in GDP. Clear? Included where, sir? Included in GDP. Next. Point number 2. Next. Indian person. Clear? Indian person providing, producing, sorry, not provide, producing outside India. Indian person is producing outside India. Tell me, will it be included in India's GDP or excluded? Simple. Not included in GDP, right? Not included in GDP. Simple. Next. Case number 3 and case number 4. Next. Foreign person. Clear? Foreign person producing in India. Producing in India. Tell me, will it go to India's GDP? Will it be included in India's GDP? Will it be included in India's GDP? Yes, sir. Included in GDP. Clear? Included in GDP. Next. Then we have foreign person. Clear? Foreign person. Clear? Foreign person producing outside India. Clear? Outside India. Will it be included in GDP or excluded from GDP? Will it be included in GDP or excluded from GDP? Simple. Not included. Not included in GDP. Not included in GDP. Clear? Not included in GDP. I hope you understood what is GDP and what are the things to be taken. I have not explained you what to be taken. I have just explained you what is the definition of GDP, right? Nothing else. There are a lot of things to be studied in GDP. This is only the introduction to GDP. Clear? I hope you understood. I will ask you some questions. You tell now. Clear? I will ask you some questions. You tell now. I'll see whether you understood or not. Clear? Now, rules for calculation of GDP, will they remain same or will they change country by country? Same. Should I take market value or factor cost? Should I take market value or factor cost? Market value. Clear? Should it be intermediate goods or final goods? Clear? Final goods. Is it only goods or services also? I am teaching you in India. I am teaching you in India. Will it go to Indian GDP? I go to US for some university, teach there and come. Will it come to India's GDP? No. Why? Services are given outside India. Now tell, should it include depreciation or exclude depreciation? If depreciation is not included, what will you do? Will you minus or add back? If depreciation is not included, what do you have to do? Add back. If depreciation is already included, will you do anything or ignore? If depreciation is already included, don't do anything. Why? It's already included, right? Next, produce means what? Production. Sale is important for us or production is important for us? Production. Citizenship is important or not? Citizenship is important or not? Am I bothered about citizenship? No. And where should it be produced? In India. Clear? It should be produced where? In India during a given period. A given period means quarterly also I told we calculate GDP and annually also we calculate GDP. Clear? Next. Economic goods are included or non-economic? Economic. Where money is involved, what is it? Where money is involved, what is it? Economic. Where money is not involved, where money is not involved, non-economic. Clear? Very good.